Everyone, welcome to EDU Story. This is your go-to channel for psychology, self-growth, and real knowledge that actually matters. We simplify complex topics so anyone can understand and apply them in real life. Stay till the end. Today's topic is going to hit different. Today, we are going to explore a very common but dangerous habit that silently affects millions of people. That habit is overthinking. Why is overthinking slowly destroying your life? It feels like thinking, but it's actually self-destruction in disguise. Let's break it down completely today. Overthinking is when your mind keeps running, even when there's nothing left to solve. It's not planning. It's not problem solving. It's just your brain spinning in circles, going nowhere. Psychologists call it rumination, and it's more damaging than most people think. Overthinkers feel like they are working on the problem, but in reality, they are just burning mental energy with zero output. The more you think without acting, the more stuck you become. Thinking without action is just slow mental torture. The first type is rumination, replaying the past over and over again. The second type is worry, imagining worst-case futures that haven't even happened. One pulls you backward. The other pushes you into fear. Both keep you away from the only place that matters, the present. You replay conversations and wonder if you said something wrong. Making simple decisions feels exhausting and overwhelming. You can't sleep because your mind just won't stop at night. You expect the worst even before you try anything new. Chronic overthinking keeps your brain's fear center constantly activated. It floods your body with cortisol, the stress hormone. Over time, this actually damages the part of your brain that makes rational decisions. The more you do it, the more automatic and natural it becomes. Overthinking is one of the biggest causes of anxiety and depression today. It creates a mental environment where negativity grows louder every single day. You feel tired all the time, not from work, but from your own thoughts. Left unchecked, it slowly becomes a condition you can't just snap out of. Overthinkers read too much into everything. A text, a tone, a look. You assume the worst about people even when there's no reason to. You constantly need reassurance, and that slowly exhausts the people around you. Relationships need presence. Overthinking keeps you anywhere but present. Most overthinkers believe more thinking will eventually fix the problem, but it won't. Trying to think your way out of overthinking is like digging to get out of a hole. The exit is never more analysis. It's always action. It's killing your success. Overthinking creates analysis paralysis. Too much thinking, zero action. Successful people don't wait for the perfect moment. They just start. The cost of overthinking isn't just stress. It's the life you never lived. Overthinking creates anxiety. Anxiety creates more overthinking. This loop runs on its own once it starts, and it gets worse over time. Your body starts reacting too. Tight chest, restless sleep, constant tension. Start by naming the thought, this is overthinking, not reality. Set a 10-minute worry window. Think, then move on intentionally. Practice the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique to pull your mind back into the present moment instantly. Exercise regularly because physical movement releases cortisol and naturally resets your nervous system from the inside. Action, even a small one, is always more powerful than more thinking. You don't need to be ready. You just need to start. Every small action gives your brain real feedback instead of imaginary fear. Done is always better than perfectly planned, but never executed. One step forward, no matter how small, changes everything. Your brain can change. That's what neuroplasticity means. Every time you choose action over rumination, you build a new mental habit. Mindfulness, journaling, and gratitude are not just trends. They literally rewire your brain. With consistent practice, calm becomes your new default. While you're overthinking, your life is actually passing by. The past is done. The future isn't here yet. All you ever truly have is this moment, right now. Don't let your thoughts steal the life you're supposed to be living. If this video gave you value, please give it a like right now. Share it with someone who really needs to hear this today. Subscribe to EDU Story and hit the bell so you never miss our content. See you in the next one. Keep growing. Keep moving forward.